with his mask on there. He's ready to go inside. Hi everybody, I'm here with Violet today at the South Florida Science Museum, Science Center, and Aquarium with a giant dinosaur wearing a mask. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, we're gonna go inside and learn about science.
Hey.
You got your mask on, I got my mask on. So I had not been in this science museum for a long time, but this is where I used to go when I was a kid. And this is fantastic to see this.
See that bone there? That's this little bone.
Oh, the different wildlife in Florida. Where's the Florida Panther? Right here. You're gonna hit that button. I'll point the camera. Go for it.
American alligator.
Wow, look how big that goldfish is. He's huge.
Baby alligator. Pushing too fast, I guess. Aww, so cute. Trying to get away from us. He's hiding. So hiding. BBI. Hi. Hello there. Is that an angelfish? Of sorts?
And here's an aquarium that's pretty large. Very big aquarium. Oh, Violet's in the aquarium. What are you doing in there? Can you feed the fish while you're in there, please? That's what I had for dinner last night. All these aquariums are really amazing and really give you a view of what's in the ocean around here and some of the freshwater fish. Fish you were here, Violet.
The temperature anomalies, which are the differences from historical average temperatures, are provided by NOAA's National Climatic Data Center in Asheville, North Carolina.
The real bodies exhibit is going on, but it's a little weird. I don't know. Maybe we'll check it out. It's the human body. You ready to learn about the human body, Violet?
Yep.
Yeah. Do you have a body? We all have bodies. Okay, this isn't a good sign. It starts with a coffin. out for your clavicle.
So you had
This is the perfect exhibit for Halloween right now. A little spooky.
For our pasta skeleton crab once again, and our indoor theater for our pasta skeleton crab.
I'm coming.
Get there.
Attention Science Center guests. Thank you for visiting the Science Center today. Just a few
Ooh, it's creeping me out.
It's a thinker.
Go back into the...
No, don't touch it. No. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. Woo. A little gassy. Pedal faster!
Welcome to the human brain. Housed within this 3-pound organ is a densely interconnected network of neurons that gives rise to your thoughts, fears, hopes, actions, and dreams. What exactly makes the human brain so special? What gives humans the capacity to ignore the real? Build wonders like the pyramids? Or learn how to the answer is not in the
It's possible I need a brain scan. Scan me. This is the part of brain that rocks. They're gonna drop this on this helmet here. Oh, it's a concussion. Your career has just ended. Doing a good job, bud. Keep up the good work. There.
Oh, making the fingers move.
There you go, yeah. That was extremely scientific. Violet, we always end up in the gift shop, huh? Do you want some astronaut ice cream? Is that your favorite? Let's get some. Right. Well, that was the Science Museum. We had a great time here. We're gonna have to head on back to Texas though. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Awesome. Anyway, we're gonna upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe and everybody rock on. Pedal faster!